Hi guys, it's me. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng unboxing video which is unboxing my Airpods Pro and iWatch. So yun guys, hindi na lang tayo makeup guru, hindi na lang din tayo cook, kung hindi tayo ngayon ay isang tech reviewer. Yes, yan ang nagagawa ng ating ECQ moments dito sa Metro Manila, kung ano-ano vlog contents ang naiisip nating gawin. So today I will show to you my recent product purchase, which is this Airpods Pro. So I will show to you guys the features and why did I buy these Apple Airpods Pro. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's try to unbox and see what's inside. So when you open the box, ang bubungad sa inyo ay itong manual ng Airpods Pro. After ng manual, syempre, ito na yung ating unit itself. Isa-set aside muna natin to, tapos tingnan natin to mamaya. So, after ng unit, another box. Another layer. Yan. So, beneath that, so sa ilalim nung oh my God! Wow! So dito sa box, kasama din dito ang Type-C to Lightning cable, which is very good kasi ito na yung mga new cable wires ng mga new iPhones na release last year and this year. Actually, wala pa akong Type-C cable na ganito since yung phone lang natin ay iPhone XX Max. So, I would like to try this cable kasi sabi nila fast charging daw to, lalo na kapag yung gamit mo is yung yung adapter na mabilis daw. Hindi ko naman tawag doon, din ako updated kasi nga luma yung phone natin. So, aside from the cable, meron din tayong extra ear tips na kasama dito sa ating box. Ito yung ear tips. These are the extra ear tips. It comes in a small and large size. So, hindi fit sa inyo yung nandun sa AirPods. So, pwede mong palitan yung ear tips into small or large size. So, depending on your ear size na yon. So, yun lang guys. So, yun lang yung laman ng ating box. So, we have the manual. We have the Type-C lightning cable. And our extra ear tips. So now, we're going to see the item itself. Our Airpods Pro. Wow! So yun guys, ito ang ating Airpods Pro. Actually, I have here with me my Airpods 2. So we will compare it with the Airpods Pro. So itong Airpods 2, binili ko to during the lockdown, yung first lockdown natin. So binili ko to dahil very in siya nun kasi yung mga tao, bumili talaga sila ng Airpods nila sa kadahilan ng lockdown nga. Tapos nauso yung indoor exercise, so eto yung gamit nila habang nag-exercise. Tapos ako naman, binili ko to para at least habang naglalakad ako papuntang office kasi wala nung public transportation, so puro lakad-lakad lang tayo ng papuntang office. Para at least may companion tayo papuntang office, bumili ako ng Airpods. So ito yung Airpods 2. So ito yung itsura. So ito yung itsura ng Airpods 2. So actually, maganda naman siya, pero ang ano lang natin, ang concern ko lang dito, mabilis siyang mag-fell off sa ears, lalo na kung tumatakbo ako or yung movements ko is magalaw. Since lagi siya nahuhulog sa ears ko, parang nasira na din siya. So we will compare this Airpods 2 with this Airpods Pro. In terms of size naman, dito sa Airpods 2 and Airpods Pro, actually halos magkasing laki lang sila, pero mas malaki lang ng konti itong Airpods Pro kasi parang itong Airpods Pro naka-landscape siya while this Airpods 2 is on portrait. So kapag pinagtabi mo naman, parang same size lang siya. Yung Airpods Pro, ganito yung itsura niya. So ito yung itsura ng Airpods Pro. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas maliit siya compared sa Airpods 2. Yung tip niya is mas maliit. Yung kaninang Airpods 2, mas mahaba. So dito sa fitting naman, sa fitting test, i-fit test natin siya. Mas okay yung fitting na nitong Airpods Pro. So kahit na headbang ako or ituswirl ko tong head ko, hindi na siya natatanggal. Pero oh no! Wow! Yun nga lang, magulo na yung hair mo. Wait lang guys, ayusin ko lang tong hair ko. Wait lang. Aside from maganda na yung fitting sa ears itong Airpods Pro, what I like most is its features. So meron siyang active noise cancellation feature and the transparency feature. Yung active noise cancellation, kung kunwari nasa crowded place ka, tapos may call ka, gusto mo ang marinig mo lang is yung call itself, pwede mong i-activate yung active noise cancellation and all your surroundings. Ang umini lang. The noises on your surroundings will be cancelled out. So meaning, as in wala kang maririnig kung hindi yung call lang itself. So kung ikaw yung type ng tao na gusto mo laging tahimik yung mundo mo or tahimik yung paligiran mo, this is the best wireless earphones that you could have. The Airpods Pro. Nila. Pero actually, ang downside lang nito, actually hindi naman downside. Kung gagamitin mo itong Airpods Pro like when you're driving or when you're walking on the road, might as well do not activate the noise cancellation feature kasi baka mamaya maaksidente tayo or yung busina ng sasakyan hindi na natin marinig since nga naka-activate yung noise cancellation. So, ang gamitin natin doon is the transparency feature para at least naririnig pa rin natin yung kapaligiran natin. Pero yun nga guys, kung gusto mong nasa webinar ka or nasa meeting ka at gusto mong ang marinig mo lang is yung speaker or yung nagsasalita, very recommended tong Airpods Pro. In terms of the sounds, compared it to my Airpods 2, parang halos same lang sila. Gumaganda lang yung tunog niya kapag yung naka-activate na yung active noise cancellation. Pero very worth it itong Airpods Pro dahil ang claim ng Apple is we can use these Airpods Pro for 5 hours and the charging case is for 18 hours. So unlike dun sa dating Airpods 2 na mas yung hours na gamit niya. So kung gusto mong bumili nitong Airpods Pro, this retails at 14,990 at Power Mac. Pero guys, alam nyo ba na nakuha ko tong Airpods Pro for free? Yes, tama ang narinig nyo guys. Nakuha ko tong Airpods Pro for free. Pero hindi libreng hini ito, kung hindi libreng pinaghirapan. Dahil sumali ako dun sa promo ng Citibank credit card na if magre-refer ka ng 3 individuals and eventually na-approve sila, you will get these Airpods Pro for free. Siyempre, mukha tayo libre. Sino bang may ayaw ng libre? Diba? Gusto natin lahat. Kaya nung nalaman ko may promo yung Citibank credit card, so ayan, nag-chat brigade ako sa aking mga friends. Sabi ko, friend, may credit card ka na ba ng Citibank? Kapag wala pa, click mo naman tong link, tapos mag-apply ka. Hindi na lang talaga may mga supportive friends tayo at sinusuportahan tayo sa ating ganap sa buhay. Kaya ito guys, na-approve, may mga na-disapprove, pero ang importante meron tayong free Airpods Pro. So, ang tip ko sa inyo, kung may mga promo dyan na yung gusto mong item is free mo makukuha, i-grab mo na yung opportunity dahil kasi, hello, free, ayaw mo ba ng libre? Ito na So yun. Actually, dinamay ko na lang din tong aking iWatch Series 3 kasi bumili din ako ng iWatch. So, binili ko to a month ago. So, bili ko ng iWatch Series 3 out of my pocket na siya. Actually, this is not the latest iWatch pero I prefer to have this iWatch Series 3 para lang matry ko. Yeah. So, yun guys, kung nagustuhan itong video na to, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, comment down below, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So yun, road to 1,000 subscribers na tayo guys. 200 subscribers na lang ata ang kulang para mag 1,000 na tayo. So huwag niyong kakalimutan guys na everyday is a gorgeous day. Bye-bye!